It's antibacterial body soap. Please see the video till end to know how I have made it. Hello everyone, I'm Tora Udhikari. Welcome back to my channel. Hope my YouTube viewers are in the best of the health and spirit. This is my first video in this new year, so a very happy new year to all my YouTube viewers. Today I'm going to make, or you can say I'm trying to make, an orange soup. In this season, oranges are available. So I've taken oranges, 2 oranges I have taken, and some bananas are also there at home. So I'll just take one banana. I'll not take the banana, I'll just take the peel. And this orange, I will take the peel. I will peel this orange off. I will cut it into pieces and I will take the inside part also of the banana. See, I have done it beforehand to show you all. I hope you can see it. I've cut it into pieces. And what I will do first is, I have taken a pan. See, I've taken a pan. There I've taken little water. That's all. Okay. And to it, I will add the whole thing, this whole mixture. Okay. And I will boil it for some time. I will close the lid of this pan and I'll boil it for some time. Let it cool down. After that, I will make it a paste in the mixie and be back with you all. I just wanted to tell you all that I have taken the inside of the orange, not the inside of the banana. The pulp of the orange I have taken. I have made the orange paste. Here actually whole orange is used and banana peels, they are also used, and I have made a paste out of it. And I have strained this paste. Now this is, I have taken fresh aloe vera juice. I have got aloe vera plant. From that particular plant I have taken the leaves and from there I have taken out the fresh aloe vera juice. This is rice powder, but you will find, I will show you if you can see, this is not totally powdered. Okay, because this will act as a scrubber in my soap. So this is not totally in a very powdered form. It is not like that. Little granules are there. Actually, these are in the granule form. I hope you are understanding. Rice is powdered in a granule form, not in a total powdered form. Now, this is actually the base of the soap. That is, I've used camel milk base. And I have just see the pieces I've made it, cubes out of it. This is not going anywhere. I'll show you some other. These cubes I have taken. This will melt when I put it on fire. Now I'm pouring this orange paste, orange banana peel paste. Whole paste I have poured. I'm pouring the aloe vera juice. I'm pouring the rice powder in the granules form. The pan I am using, it's an iron pan. Now, what are the things which I am going to use here is, this is Bertolli's olive oil. I will put 2 teaspoons of Bertolli's olive oil in this particular mixture. To it, I will pour honey, 1.5 spoon or 2 spoon, not more than that. This is glycerine which I will put. 2 teaspoons of glycerine I will put. This is Kasturi turmeric powder. Here half half teaspoon I will put in this particular mixture. Along with this is Multani Matti. This is Multani powder, in other words. I will take 1 teaspoon of Multani powder. This is actually uh, neem powder. Here also I will use 1 teaspoon of milk, neem powder, not milk, sorry, neem powder. Now, I am not telling you all that why these ingredients I am using. Basically, all these ingredients will make your skin much clear. In your face also, if you use, in the body, your body will be very clear. The skin will be very clear and there won't be any blackheads or rashes or anything. And this neem powder I'm using so that this soap will be antifungal. This neem will act as antifungal. And all these things, whichever things I am using, it will clear the skin, it will make the skin very smooth. That's the only main reasons why I'm using. I've just told you all. Now I will mix and come back to you. See, I have mixed up all the ingredients which I told you. Now I will put this iron pan on the fire so that the camel milk base, it melts and mixes up with all the ingredients. To this mixture, I will add 4 vitamin E capsule. I will pierce it and pour the liquid, which is vitamin E, to this mixture. This is very good for skin. See, I have put it on the fire and slowly it is melting. You can very well understand a soapy texture is coming. Foams of soap are there. Slowly it will melt and mix up with everything, with all the ingredients. See, the camel milk base has melted and it has mixed up with all the ingredients. I have to wait, little concentration is needed. I have to wait till that. See, it is boiling. Concentration is also, it's more concentrated now. No artificial color is used here, nor any artificial fragrance is used here. I will switch off the gas just now and start pouring it on my silicone soap mold. So this is the product which I have bought. Now I will pour it into the silicone mold. And these are small bowls where I have put a drop of oil, white oil, and I will pour the mixture here. I have poured the mixture in this silicone mold and in these bowls, and I will keep it overnight and demold it tomorrow. This is the end product. I have demold. This is the soap. I've also used it. It's very nice. You can also do the same the way I have done. I've used this soap already. It's very nice. Whatever color you can see, these are all natural. Whatever I have given, like I've given neem powder, because of that this color is brown. If I wouldn't have used it, it would be orange or yellow color only. So I have not used any artificial color or any smell or fragrance to it. And you know, if it is naturally made, the smell won't be too much. Very light, faint smell is there. But it really clears the skin. You will not have any black spots or blackheads. You won't have. And if you make it at home and use it, you will really love to use it. So please do try the way I have done it. And I hope that you will really like it. Hope if you like my video, please give a like, share, subscribe, and comment on my video. And please click on all notifications so that whenever I post a video, you get it immediately. Hope to meet you very soon with some new ideas. Till then, stay happy and blessed. Bye bye, friends.